Welcome to Terminology Tutor. Today, we're covering 20 essential legal terms that every person should know. Let's dive in.
Affidavit. A written statement of facts sworn or affirmed before an authorized person.
Plaintiff. The party who initiates a lawsuit by filing a complaint.
Defendant. The party being accused or sued in a legal action.
Due process. The fair treatment and protection of rights during legal proceedings.
Plea bargain. An agreement between the prosecution and defense where the defendant agrees to plead guilty to a lesser charge.
Habeas corpus. A legal order requiring a person under arrest to be brought before a court.
Subpoena. A court-ordered command for the production of evidence or appearance of a witness. Criminal intent. The intention to commit a crime, a crucial element in many criminal cases.
Tort. A civil wrong that causes harm, leading to legal liability.
Probate. The legal process of proving the validity of a will and settling the estate of a deceased person.
Lien. A legal right or interest in someone else's property as security for a debt. Arbitration. A method of alternative dispute resolution where a neutral third party resolves a dispute. Allegation. A claim or assertion made in a legal proceeding.
Discovery. The process of exchanging information and evidence between parties before a trial. Testimony. Oral or written statements given by witnesses under oath. Custody. The legal right to care for and make decisions about a child.
Bail. Money or property deposited with the court to ensure a defendant's appearance at trial.
Injunction. A court order prohibiting or mandating certain actions.
Negligence. Failure to exercise the level of care that a reasonable person would take in similar circumstances. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to keep learning with Terminology Tutor.